Hi guys, how you doing? This is Rob with Rob Thomas Review. Today I want to do a little quick video review of my fish tank and my fish tank stand that I got from Petco. This is a 55-gallon aquarium, and then the metal stand that I also purchased from Petco. And today I want to get a little bit closer look into both of these, and I'll let you know if these are going to be a good value for you or not. Alright, so let's take a closer look at both of these. This is set up as a reef tank. And then this is the metal stand that I purchased from Petco. Very good quality. Fits perfectly with this 55-gallon fish tank. You can buy both of these from Petco. I do have a little table set up on the side of mine just for the cord management. I do need to tighten that up a bit, but just wanted to make a quick video today showing you how well this thing looks, how it holds up to this tank. This tank is beautiful. Mine is a little cloudy. I just did a water change and I need to clean the glass. But as you can see, this stand is 48 inches long by 14 inches wide by 30 inches tall. The fish tank diameters are going to be a little bit different whether you get the tall 55-gallon or the standard 55-gallon, but they both fit on this very well. You do have plenty of room underneath for a sump, or if you wanted to do, if you don't use a sump, you could do a separate display tank underneath, auto top off, whatever you want. I do have my auto top off, my sump set up. I also have some other products in there that I can do some reviews for you if you're interested in what type of heaters I use, pumps, and all kind of things like that. But today I'm mainly focusing on the fish tank and the stand. This fish tank, I believe, was around $200, but I got it on sale for $99. You can check when you click on the PetSmart link. I'm going to have a link in the description below for not PetSmart, for Petco, for the fish tank and for the stand. And then sometimes these tanks are on sale for half off. Just depends on what area you're in. I'm not sure where you're from. I'm in Florida, so they have them on sale about every 3 months. And then the fish tank stand was about $125. So paid $225 for both of these, and I'm super impressed, guys. This stand is very sturdy, has self-leveling feet on the bottom. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail about the fish tank because fish tanks are fish tanks. This fish tank is nice. I did get the 55-gallon that's a little bit taller than the standard 55-gallon that's a little bit shorter and a little bit wider. Like I said, they will both fit on those. If you guys have any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know. I will answer any questions that I can. Tell me what kind of stands you guys use, what kind of fish tanks you guys have set up. I'd love to interact with you. I'm going to be doing a lot more product reviews on fish tanks in the next coming week or two, maybe in the month. I do have a small tank that I'm going to do a complete beginner's guide on for a freshwater tank for my apartment. But if you guys are looking for a nice tank, and I forgot, I did set this up as a peninsula style, which I absolutely love. It's the first time I've ever done that. So if you have any questions about how to set that up, what kind of filters I use, what kind of sumps I use. I also went bare bottom, which a lot of people don't do, but I don't think I'm ever going back after that. Please let me know, guys, any questions that you have. I will answer them pronto. If you guys found any value from this video, please subscribe to my channel, help me grow on YouTube. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one.